Hello beautiful people, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. If today is your first time of coming across my video on YouTube or coming across my channel on YouTube, please do not hesitate by hitting the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video you will be the first to get notified. In today's video, guys, we are about to do a beautiful set for my client. She came in and she gave me the set. I really love it. I always love my nails anyways. You guys saw me pushing back the cuticles. After pushing back the cuticles, and then I cut the dead skin that I pushed back, because when you push back your cuticle, you are literally pushing back the dead skin on the nails. So I just pushed them back and then I cut them with the cuticle cutter. Right now I'm just using my cuticle drill bit just to work around the cuticle areas of the nails. Now I'm going in with my sanding band. I'm just going to use it to take out the shine from the nails and also use it to file down the nails. I always do this, and I advise you to do this because it helps you makes your nails last longer. If you do a good prep and you apply your polygel, trust me, your polygel lasts longer. Okay, that's the tip I'm using from Amazon, and that's my glue that I also got on Amazon. That's my Makartt glue. When I had to size the nails off camera, so I'm just applying it on the natural nails. I'm just gonna apply it from sidewall to sidewall, making sure that it fits properly. I'm sorry guys if there's any noise. I'm very sorry. My area, I always say this, my window is really across the street. So I cut down the nails, which is a tip, and now I'm just taking out the shine from the nails. I do this so that when you apply your polygel, it literally stick on it. If you don't take it out, if you don't take out the shine from the tip of the nails, your polygel will not last longer. So guys, I have my primer, I have my base coat. I'm gonna apply them on the nails. One is the primer and one is the extra bond, and the other one is the base coat. I'm just gonna apply the base coat on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Let's give a warm welcome to our new subscribers. Oh my god, you guys are welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys a lot. Please do not forget to always like, comment, on the post notification bell if you haven't done that, so that when I upload any video you will be the first to get notified. Okay, those are the polygel I'm going to be using. I showed you guys already. You can actually get them on Amazon. I'm going to have the link in the description box. All you need to do is to click on the link, and then it's going to directly take you to Amazon. Okay, so I'm just carefully applying the tip on the nails, and then after applying it on the nails, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Another warm welcome to our old subscribers. Come on, you guys are the best. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for always liking, commenting. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you so much. Please guys, always watch my video to the end. Always click on the like button so that when I see it gives me the impression that you guys are really enjoying my content. And if you watch my videos and you have not subscribed, come on, what are you waiting for? You don't want to join this lovely family? Please guys, if you watch my videos, do not forget to subscribe and also turn on post notification bell. Okay, this one I'm gonna do the white on the nails. It's gonna be an ombre. It's gonna be a pink and a white ombre. You guys are gonna see me do it. Okay, I'm gonna carefully apply it on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling.
So guys, with this polygel, I'm about to do a crocodile print, but first I'm gonna use my clear polygel. I'm gonna do that on the middle finger. First of all, gonna apply my clear polygel on the nails. After applying the clear polygel on the nails, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I do this because I want it to have a base on the nails before applying my blooming gel, which I'm applying right now. That's my blooming gel. After applying my blooming gel, I will go in with the white gel polish that I just showed you guys. I'm going to carefully apply it on the nails because we are going to make an ombre on that crocodile print. So I'm going to do that on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Guys, when you do this, give it a little bit of time because it's a blooming gel. It's going to spread. Just let it spread the way you want it, and then you can cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm going to apply the same pink on that nails, which is the middle finger. I'm going to use it to make an ombre. When I do that, then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. You can actually do any color of your choice, but she chose this color and I went for it. It came out so nice. You might not be able to do it the first time. It is not easy, but trust me, when you do it on a regular basis, trust me, you will get it. It took me time to get this, and I'm glad and I'm happy that I'm showing you guys this, because trust me, this saves you a lot of money. Okay guys, I applied clear polygel. For some reason my phone was not recording, so I couldn't do that. So I applied a clear polygel on all the nails, and then I cured it for 60 seconds. I'm just doing the normal thing. You guys know how we do this. I'm just using the cuticle pusher to work around the cuticle areas. Sorry, not the cuticle pusher, the cuticle dribble to work around the cuticle areas. And I'm going in with the file. I'm just going to file the nails. If you are filing your nails, be very careful. You file your nails because those drill, they are really sharp, so that you don't cut the person's nail. Even yourself, whenever you are doing it on yourself, make sure the speed is very low. Okay.
Choose what's right and take what comes and goes, and ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
So guys, I'm just gonna apply my top coat on all the nails and I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Can anybody, any of my subscribers, guess how many guys that I said on this video, on this voiceover? It's not easy to make a voiceover. It's not easy. Doing the nails is good, trust me, but doing the voiceover is something else. So I'm applying my cuticle oil on the nails. After applying my cuticle oil on the nails, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I'm laughing, guys, because like I'm forgetting what I'm supposed to say because it's past 2 a.m. in the morning. I want to go sleep. So this is a finished look of these beautiful nails. These nails came out so beautiful. I love the nails. Please give it a try and put it down in the comment section. Just tell me, oh, I did these nails, and then I'll give you a thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much for liking. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not done that, please hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video and you understood this tutorial, please do not forget to always like, share, comment, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
All be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.